Dear, give me a cup of tea.
Yes. Uncle,
Yes, I'll talk to you in a while. Dear, how long have you been running this tea shop?
this since 2 weeks.
And before that?
Before that, father was running it. Right now, he is not well now, so I'm running it.
What's wrong with him?
He had got paralyzed. He can't get off from bed, so all the responsibilities are on me only. So I'm at the shop and taking care of here.
That's really sad. By the way, don't you have any brother?
Yes, I have two brothers. One had done engineering and one BA.
Then why do you run this shop?
Because, uncle, on this shop my father did hard work, made me and both my brothers educated. He gave us a good life. And today we have our bread and butter with this shop only, so that's why.
But dear, your both brothers are educated and doing a good job. Don't they send money at home?
No, they send. But whatever they send, all are spent in dad's medicine and other expenses are there, so we have to manage them. So I sell tea here, I sell other stuff here, so I get some money.
But dear, I want to meet your father once.
What happened, uncle? You are not going to tell him na that I come here on shop?
So, doesn't he know that you run the shop?
No, uncle. He thinks that I'm going to college. I'm doing study. But mother knows that I'm here on the shop. I don't get that much earning that I can get some helper. So I have to do all the work by myself. Cleaning utensils, cleaning and mopping, making tea. And in this when I get little bit time, so I do my studies.
Study? For what?
I'm doing MBA final year. So of that only.
Very good. By the way, will you do a job?
Job? Who will give me job? Right now I have not completed my degree.
I'll give you. Actually, I have a finance company and I need young and talented people. Tell me, will you do it? You will get a good salary too.
No uncle. I'm sorry. I won't be able to do job.
You can't do it? But why?
Because uncle, job I have to do according to company's condition, and here I can run my shop according to my condition and also can take care of parents as well. When I will do job in company, so accordingly I'll go to office and I'll leave from there in the evening. So if my parents will be needing me, I won't be able to be there with them. I accept. We are lacking of some money, but my parents needs me. My both brothers are outside. In this, if I won't be there with them, so they will be alone now.
By the way, dear, you have a very good thinking. Not everyone can think like this. Whenever your father gets well and you feels like doing the job, so this is my card. You can call me on this.
Thank you so much.
By the way, the tea is very good.
Thank you.